flowers and repeat every step with me. Now we are gonna draw leaves. Do same with the other flower, just like this. And same, but with other side. Fill that. Now we'll color it. This is yellow color and fill it just like I am doing, or you can do it another way. Let me show you. Fill it very soft hand. We are not gonna press very hard. First you can underline it, then fill it. It's also very easy. Carefully on this part, we are not gonna fill lips and eyes of smiley. For the next flower, I am using orange color. I like to use pencil colors, and I really recommend, if you are a beginner, you should use pencil colors first, because it's very easy to erase them if you do something wrong or you mess up coloring. Next we are gonna do a little shade with the red color. The very light pressure. You are not gonna press it very hard, just a little bit. That's it. We can do it with from the both sides, up and down. It will give it a very nice texture. Or you can first give it a shade and from the both side, up and down, and then underline it. It will help to shape it nicely. If you mess up a little shape, then you can rectify it do same with the little curves. Repeat every step. With same color. I'm using dark green pencil to fill it up. I like to use both the pencils, light green and dark green as well. It will give it a very nice shade and very different color. I like to use an empty pen just to draw the leaf lines. It will give it a very nice texture. It's ready. Thanks for watching.